That paint alone is there's probably about 50 quid worth of paint here alone.
That's hard.
Yeah.
No, international, yeah, well, that's what we use for the bridges.
Yeah.
We use for railway bridges.
Probably not. I don't think it's got any ground tackle, but I've got tons back at my place anyway. I kept all the stuff off that old boat, so. Yeah, so for weekend camping, this is great. It's like I say, if I have it on the handboard, then you can always stay the night at the yacht club anyway. So it's, just use it for those. So it would be great just for going over to Isle of Wight and places.
I've put my tent here.
Yeah, of course, can you?
There's just some ropes in that little hatch there.
Oh, there's a lot. Oh no, that's just it. Okay. So he has done a bit of work to it.
The previous owner, probably.
Oh yeah. When you think if he paid £1,000 for it, he spent 500 quid to bring it over, because that's what he said, and that will be on the cheap side. Plus, like, he spent like 6 months. That's 600. That's 720 that he's spent on the just storage fees. So yeah, so it's a fair price, right? What I paid for it. So.
That's it. I have to pay any money for it. What's that all for?
They're for dagger boards. So instead of having a keel, it's got 2 wooden dagger boards that you put down the side. It's a catamaran thing. So it's really lightweight. It only weighs a ton. This. Yeah. And the keel might be like half a ton on its own on a similar sized boat. So.
Wait, are you got to make them, or? Are they...
No, they're inside. Okay. But when you're sailing, you just leave them